everyone, I'm Anshika Verma. Today I'm going to tell you about the top 9 notable international auto exhibitions that are going to happen in 2025. Auto Connect Expos are the best platform to showcase their concept for future, bringing new technologies and showcasing new launches to multinational audience or showcasing production ready versions. First one is NAIAS, which stands for North American International Show, that's going to happen in Detroit, Michigan. The venue is going to be Huntington. The dates will be 10th to 20th January 2025. This upcoming 2025 year theme is going to be on concept cars, mobility innovations and electric vehicles. This show is also called Detroit Auto, brings back the chance to immerse themselves in a wide range of electric vehicles, and this is widely regarded as one of the most important automotive industry event. The show is organized by Detroit Auto Dealer Association, DADA. The focus more will be on to bring new innovations in Gen Z generations too. NAIAS attracts visitors from across the globe. Second one is Bharat Mobility Expo, the leading global mobility show that's going to happen in India, situated in Delhi. The venue of this will be on two locations, Bharat Mandapam Pragati Maidan and Yashabhumi Dwarka Sector 25. The dates will be 16 to 22nd January 2025. This global expo unites the entire mobility value chain under one umbrella. It sets the stage for the future of mobility. This show is about cars, light and heavy commercial vehicles. The reach of this show is Indian audience. Now, the third one is Belgrade Motor Show. The location will be Serbia. The dates are going to be 20th to 26th March 2025. This Belgrade Motor Show will be the 59th International Motor Show. This event is for those who just follows innovations in the automobile industry. This Belgrade show gathers importers and distributors of all automobile brands, manufacturers of spare parts and equipment, representative of all related industry, trade organization, association. The focus is going to be on both mobility, hardware and software technologies. The reach of this one is all over the globe. Fourth one is Seoul Mobility Expo. The location will be Kintex, Korea. The dates are going to be 3rd to 13th April 2025. This upcoming Seoul Mobility Show will showcase a new transportation system that's going to be easy and convenient for everyone. Going to showcase a vision for an inclusive, more innovative and sustainable future of mobility by new technologies, which includes renewable energy for eco-friendly mobility, reducing carbon emissions. The reach of this one is all over the globe. Fifth one is New York International Auto Show. The location will be New York, USA. The dates are going to be 18th to 27th April 2025. This upcoming 2025 year, the New York Auto Show will be celebrating its 125th anniversary. This is the best show for car enthusiasts and families. It remains the only place where visitors can experience latest models. In this show, you can also experience the return of camp jeeps, thrilling off-road experience, Ford's exciting Bronco-built wild ride. This show is an opportunity for brands to come together under one roof, showcase their new launches, best models. The focus is going to be on the latest models and concept vehicles. The sixth one is Auto Shanghai. The location is China. The date will be 23rd to 2nd May 2025. This is going to be the 21st edition of Auto Shanghai. The vast range of products are going to be showcased in like new energy vehicles and special purpose vehicles, new energy technologies and products like battery, electric motors, power grid, etc. The focus is on innovation and emerging automotive trends. The reach of this one is going to be the Chinese market. Seventh one is Commercial Vehicle Show, Birmingham. It's going to held in NEC, Birmingham, UK. The dates will be 29th April to 1st May. The Commercial Vehicle Show stands as the UK ultimate event for road, freight, transport, distribution and logistics. This has evolved into the largest and most influential gathering of commercial vehicles manufacture. This show focus is going to be on commercial vehicles. The reach of this one is going to be all over the globe. Eighth one is Japan Mobility Show. The location will be Tokyo, Japan. The dates are going to be 29th October to 9th November 2025. Japan Mobility Show showcases wide-ranging advances that expand and enhance mobility from multiple perspectives, enabling visitors of all generations to experience. The focus is on next generation mobility solutions. The reach of this one will be the Japanese market. And the last one is Used Car Week. The location will be Red Rock Casino Resort and the Spa in Las Vegas. The dates are going to be 17 to 20 November 2025, Nevada. Used Car Week Expo is about pre-owned vehicles and the overall used car market, addressing technology, new-driven innovations. The focus is to cover all trends in the used market and remarketing strategies. The reach of this one is all over the globe. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. ऐसे ही best business पे new videos देखने के लिए stay tuned.